Okay, so kind of a simple-minded way to make a display of the data is to make a dot plot. Draw a number line which contains the data values. Place a dot above each value in the data set. We're looking at our number of hours slept in the past 2 nights combined data. We had 3 12s, 2 13s, 2 14s, 5 15s, 4 16s, 2 17s, 3 19s, 2 20s, 2 21s. So there is what they call a dot plot of that data. It's not much better than looking at the actual values, but or even it's like a stem plot, I suppose. You can think of this as being the stem, and these as being the leaves to some extent. You take this and tip it like that, it would look like a stem plot. And then you could also make a histogram using bins of width 1 that would match this. Ordinarily, when you do dot plots, maybe the data is more continuous, so every possible value is possible. You have just dots all over the place. Here we've got the dots appear over integer values. For integer values, we often make histograms with the bars centered at those integers and just count. Then the height is the number of times we see that number. That happens quite a bit. In collecting information, if you don't have a lot of values and they're integer values, this is a natural way to make a histogram. It doesn't have exactly the right number of bins, but it does give you a lot of information because it tells exactly how many 12s and 13s and so on that there are. So the trade-off is maybe there's a few too many bars to display the shape, but you haven't lost any information because you know exactly how many values fall in each category. Here's a dot plot. There's a histogram going along with our sleep data. And then we're going to look at a few more issues with histograms coming up next.